One of the things that we've seen and I have a lot of empathy for is how designers and engineers have been working together on these projects. There's a lot of friction, and the tooling is not great for either side, and it causes low velocity, low efficiency, deadlines being pushed back more and more. So what we've tried to do with Parlant is design a system that over time allows a natural separation for the most part, maybe like 89%, a separation between designers and engineers, so that designers could actually do design and engineers could do engineering. Instead of designing, the designers needing to know about MLU and all that stuff, and engineers needing to know about conversational patterns. And of course, just working together, people are going to learn from each other. But we want designers to be able to put on their resume machine learning work or something like that. So that's another thing that we designed Parlant. Something that from the ground up is an architecture that is supposed to facilitate that separation of concerns and allow the best professionals to do what they're good at.
I think I would love to know how this practically works as well a little bit later. But I think the audience here and the people listening to this we have a lot of conversation design professionals too. So a few questions just about design, just to get your opinion, because I know your team has done a bunch of experiments in this space. So a few questions here. So number one, how do you handle conversations where you have a bunch of different, context clues that have been given from the customer who's perhaps in a shopping type of conversation? They've shared that they want X type of product, and then they've shared different requirement, and then they've thrown in a bunch of other context clues about their mental state. How do you handle all of this when it comes into a conversation? How do you handle it gracefully? Today's technology, is it able to do that well, or have you seen no proper solution for a conversation like that?
Yeah, actually, we've been surprised by how well it works with LLM. So Parlant does go a very long way to try to squeeze out of LLMs more and more performance that's kind of hidden inside of them, what's called like latent spaces in the models. But basically what we've seen in traditional systems, you have what you call slots, right? Where you say, this is the card item name, or if you guide them correctly, they can actually look at the conversation. And it's funny, I can say, if you just look at the visible effect, it looks like they just get everything quite well. A lot of times in a way that surprises us as the people creating these things. A lot of times the LLM would find something, not something that no professional human in that scenario wouldn't see.